to the last box with all the brushes and sponges and stuff like that. Okay, so let's begin. I have a Crease Line Kit. This one I got from Amazon. So basically it will help you create a cut crease. I don't know if it's really working. I haven't tried it yet, but I mean, it's worth a try, obviously. So this is how it looks like. So you have like this, I don't know, thing here, and you have like, different parts that you can use to create basically different shapes of a cut crease. I believe maybe do like a wing as well. So you basically apply it here to your eyelid, and then you go over with eyeshadow. I don't know if it's working, but I think I'm going to be doing a review on this stuff. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing a in-depth video on this one. Just hit me with comments below. Okay, so now let's move to the brushes. So first brush that I have is this one from Look Good, Feel Better. So this one is an angled blending brush. So this is how it looks like. It's super soft. It is cruelty free and vegan as well. So next I have a powder and a bronzer brush from Tarte. This is again a very good brush. I have other brushes from them and they work miracles. They are very very soft. They have like soft bristles. They have like the best brushes ever. Next we have from Lottie London another brush, another blending brush. This is a flat brush. It has a beautiful pink color, again very soft to the touch, super beautiful. It is also cruelty free and vegan as well. Next I have a Real Techniques stepping brush. I like to use this one with creamy foundations, and I'll just go all over my face with this brush, apply and blend, and then I'll go with a sponge just to make sure that everything stays put. But this is a great brush if you want to use with creamy foundations, and this is like my second one. Okay, moving on, I have a blender brush, just your normal blending brush. It was on sale, so yeah. I have then some mini brushes from Essence. So I have 4 different brushes in here, and we have a face brush, a precise face brush, an eyeshadow blender, and an eyeshadow shader. So these are 4 different brushes. They come like in this container, and they are super cute and travel friendly, very cute. Next I have another foundation brush. So very soft bristles. I love this one, cute. Now another foundation brush, this one by Tarte. So this is how it looks like. Super beautiful. The bristles are so soft. The last brush that I have, it is actually a pore refining brush and a mask tool. This one is by Elf. So basically this brush, it is a miracle for your skincare routine. It comes with two ends, as you can see. So this part is made out of silicone, and you will use it to apply your mask. And then the other end, as you can see, it is a normal brush with bristles, and go, you know, in circles and just gently exfoliate your T-zone, you know, and just go like super deep into these pores and clean your face and look radiant. So this is a good deal if you ask me. Okay, so now, as I promised, the last products are just 3 sponges. So I have the one and only beauty blender, you know, the classic one, obviously, very beautiful. Then I have this one. I just liked the design of it. I mean, nothing too crazy there, but I just liked it and I got it, so whatever. And then I have 3 little sponges. I really like using them, you know, just to go there around the nose, or maybe, you know, when I am applying some concealer, and just to get in there into these eye corners, and they're just great for little details. Okay, so I believe this is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and you stayed until the end. Let me know in the comments below which product you liked. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!